Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. For my dear guys, for my dear audience. In this video, I will describe some different and much beautiful ideas of some tips for woodworking project or wood furniture. So, my dear guys, creating wood furniture can be a rewarding woodworking project. So, some tips and ideas to help you getting started, I will prescribe in my video. General tips for woodworking project. First of all, plan and design means sketch your design. Start with a detailed sketch or blueprint of your furniture piece, and after that, measurement. Make precise measurement to ensure everything fits together correctly and I say that width effectively. So some material list, create a list of all the materials and tools you will need. So some choosing wood for making different woodworking project, different tables, different chairs, different other stools. So my dear guys, the types of wood. First of all, you choose means how type. Select the appropriate type of wood for your project, like as pine for a budget-friendly option, oak for durability. Means pine is a cheap rated wood, and it can be strong, and oak is some durability. So after that, we check quality. Means choose high quality straight and defect free wood to avoid issues during constructions. Means check quality. Means how quality of that wood is admirable and well we show. So some tools and equipment. After that, means which tools we can in which tools we used for making a woodworking project, a different wood project, and different equipment uh, means skissers and other different. So basic tools, ensure you have a basic tools like a saw. It is a basic tool for making by working on a wood. So as a hammer or also, it is also an equipment, basic equipment which we need. So some drill, clamps, and measuring tape. It is a basic tool for making different design of woodworking. So safety gear, always wear safety goggles, ear protection, and dust mask. It is also safety gear tools, which is used for making a woodworking project. So power tool also consider using power tools like a table saw and a meter and meters are router for efficiency and precision. In safety gear are also prescribed previous ear protection are also and a dust mask which is most beneficial for a human health, a man health, and you can also use these ear protection, some gloves for hand protection, and ear protection for ear means air parrot and a dust mask are also you can dust mask use in your mouth. So my dear guys, some cutting and assembly, it is also uh, must use for woodworking project. Accurate cuts, it is a cutting procedure. Make sure your cuts are precise and clean, and use a scale to check for right angles. So as a dry fit, assemble the pieces without glue or screws. First, to ensure everything fits. Some joinery are also learn basic joinery techniques like dovetail and mortise and tenon and pocket screws for strong joint. It can be cutting and assembly means three main things which is remind in our mind for cutting and assembly: accurate cut, dry fit, and joinery. So after that, you touch a finish like sanding, sand your piece thoroughly to remove rough spots and prepare for finishing. So some staining and sealing. Apply a wood stain to enhance the color and grain, and followed by a protective sealant like polyurethane. And after that, you paint. If you prefer painted finish, use high quality wood primer and paint. So maintenance, regular cleaning to keep your furniture clean by dusting and occasionally polishing. And when regular cleaning, after that repairs, be prepared to make minor repairs over time, such as tightening screw or reapplying finish. My dear guys, cutting and assembly, finish, and maintenance, it is also best options and best woodworking project for so wood furniture ideas. Some tables like as a dining table, coffee table, side table means a classic project that can range from a simple frame house style to a more intricate design. It is also for making a dining table. So when we talk about a coffee table, then create a unique coffee table with storage or a glass top. So side table, a smaller, simpler project perfect for beginners. It is also a side table. So some chairs and benches are also used in which bookshelf in which some dining chair, rocking chair, or bench. A wooden bench can be used indoor or outdoor and can include storage underneath. So some storage solution, bookshelf, cabinet, chest, and some we used uh, bedroom furniture for making different categories. So some project ideas for different skill levels, like as for beginners, it is a simple stool and a wall shelf, bird house. So intermediate or also console table or also a narrow table for an entryway for behind a sofa. Some storage benches, wine rack are also used. So when we talk about additional tips for making a workshop and classes, consider taking woodworking classes or joining a workshop to improve your skill. So online resources are also some practices also you can use. So my dear guys, by following these tips and exploring various project ideas, you can create beautiful and functional wood furniture. So thank you very much guys for watching my video. Once again, thank you.